Letter number 13. Sheen.
It's Charlie.
Sheen?
Pronounced like the S and H in the word she. It looks like seen but with 3 dots above. It's like the monster that has 3 teeth needed 3 eyes, since 1 or 2 eyes aren't gonna cut it.
With cat's teeth and 3 eyes.
And it makes sense that it comes after seen. I mean, not only do they look a lot alike, but imagine if someone lost their teeth. They would probably pronounce sa as sha, like sha, like that.
I'm only 93 and a half years old.
So sheen has to come after seen. Note how much the teeth has to do with all this. How about we form a word? Shams, which means sun. Here we use the letter that you didn't learn yet. Meme.
Meme.
Which is the M of the Arabic alphabet. How about another simple word? Dush, which means shower. Here we used one of the letters we learned, dal. So keep on practicing. And as always, if you have any questions, comment away. See you in the next video.